From billionaire towers to the White House, and back again. Donald Trump's journey is more dramatic than any movie you've seen. Love him or hate him, his story will blow your mind. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in the Queens borough of New York City. His father, Fred Trump, was a real estate developer, and his mother, Mary Ann, immigrated from Scotland. Donald attended the New York Military Academy for a disciplined education and later earned a business degree from the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. Early in his career, he joined his father's real estate business, renaming it the Trump Organization. In the 1970s and 80s, he developed several luxury buildings, casinos, and hotels in Manhattan, such as Trump Tower, Trump Plaza, and the Trump Taj Mahal. Despite facing major financial setbacks and bankruptcy, he made a comeback and gained worldwide fame as the host of the reality TV show, The Apprentice. In 2015, Donald Trump entered politics and ran for president as a Republican in the 2016 election. With the slogan, "Make America Great Again," he defeated Democrat Hillary Clinton and became the 45th President of the United States. His presidency was highly controversial, marked by an immigration ban, a trade war with China, corporate tax cuts, and his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Trump was impeached twice, first in 2019 for the Ukraine phone call case and again in 2021 after the January 6 Capitol riot, but was acquitted both times by the Senate. In the 2020 election, he lost to Joe Biden, a result he strongly disputed, though all court challenges were dismissed. Despite the loss, Trump remained active in politics. In 2024, he announced his candidacy once again, this time with a new slogan, "Save America Again." He focused on economic recovery, illegal immigration, and restoring American global leadership. Trump narrowly defeated Joe Biden and returned to power as the 47th President of the United States, making him the first U.S. leader in history to serve 2 non-consecutive terms. In 2025, he began work on AI regulation, border security, and boosting American oil production. His supporters view him as a strong, nationalist leader who fights for American values, while critics see him as divisive and authoritarian. Trump's personal life has also been in the spotlight. He has been married 3 times and has 5 children. His daughter Ivanka Trump and son Donald Jr. are active in both business and politics. Donald Trump's life is a story of transformation, from businessman to TV celebrity to one of the most powerful and controversial figures in world politics. His influence continues to shape American politics and society to this day.